Look at these. This is the first time I'm seeing these things right here. That's pretty smart. It's a little inflatable or something. Preparing for the worst. Yeah, might as well take a fucking lunch. Hopefully it stops in the next 30 minutes. If not, I'm gonna have to put that poncho on. Shit. Not too bad. It's the same shit. I barely got like 5 stops down before it started pouring, and I was like, yeah, don't stop. It's already settling down a little bit, but shit. These little dinosaurs.